Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. In my last video on my channel, I showed you how to create a GitHub repo on GitHub and how to clone your repo to your local computer and how to make changes in your local computer and commit the changes to GitHub. So in this video, I'm going to show you once you've done all those things, I'm going to show you how to deploy your project using GitHub pages. Okay, this is a simple process. Okay, every time you publish your project locally and you push it to your GitHub repo, you want to deploy it using GitHub pages because it's basically a free hosting platform. Okay, you can host your project and you can share it with anyone anywhere in the world so that they can browse your project. If you're working for example, this is an example e-commerce website. As you can see, it's not really real, but it contains some HTML code and everything. Let me go into the HTML. Let me go into the index.html. As you can see, it's just a sample project, but I can still, deploy this sample project using GitHub pages. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So once you've done all those things, now what you need to do is you need to click on your repo, right? Then go into settings, right? Settings is right here. Then you want to go to this section here where it says pages. Then you want to make sure this says deploy from a branch. Okay, then you want to click on the none, but click on the main branch. Then from there you want to save, and then you want to scroll down a little bit once you've saved, and where it says custom domain here, you want to just, this is very tricky. Okay, this is very, very tricky. But what you want to do here is you're gonna have to do this a few times. In my experience, you're gonna have to do this at least 5 to 6 times before it actually processes and create the website link that you're looking for. So just try type in anything. There's nothing really fancy about this process. Just type in anything and click save. And as you can see, this might look like an error. You can see uh, this red thing here, this red prompt. It might seem like an error, but it's not an error. Just keep attempting to just type whatever you want in there. Just click save again. Like I said, we're gonna have to do this. Oh wow, you see, it normally took me about 5 to 6 times to just do it, but there we go. It's launched our project. So now I'm gonna click visit site. And by the way, I managed to get it to work twice, but sometimes you have to just keep typing in whatever you want in here in this where it says custom domain and just keep pressing save. And eventually, if you do it about 5, 6, 7 times, it will give you this project link right here, which is now let me show you what my project is. Like I said, this is a sample project, but this is still a good way to host your project, whether you're building a website, whether it's a portfolio website, or you're working on a client project or whatever, or you're working on a team project. Using GitHub pages to deploy your application is an easy and simple way to show other people what you're working with. And it's a very, very useful tool. So now you know how to do it. But first, before you get to this stage, make sure you go on my channel. Let me actually show you. Make sure you go on my channel and you watch this video here where it says GitHub Basics full course for absolute beginners. It's going to show you everything you need to do before you start deploying your applications using GitHub pages. So watch this video, especially if you're a beginner. I would absolutely implore you to watch this video first so you can get to a stage where you're able to commit all your changes and push your changes to your remote repo on GitHub, and then you can deploy your applications like I've showed you in this video. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to, if you like this video, if you've learned anything, please like this video and like my other videos as well, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I am also a beginner front end developer, and I am currently learning. And I the more I get better, the more I learn new things, and I improve. I like to just share what I'm learning with other people, and hopefully connect with like-minded people. So yeah, drop me a comment, or tell me where you're from, or what you find useful about web development, or what you find interesting, and let's connect. Thanks so much, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video.